Hey guys, it's Luna Rocking here. I finally can make this video. I'm gonna try to make it short. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm fixing my hair again. So one, I forget what I was gonna say. I'm gonna make a video soon about when I had the Baby Think It Over project. It's summer now, so I'm kind of late on it. But it was really fun, and I was supposed to bleach my hair today. So I'm going to dye it. I'm going to see if I can work my camera and videotape me. Yeah. So, yeah, this is kind of like an update or something. I haven't spoken to you, like, I haven't made a video in, like, months. So, yeah. So I'm trying to, like, think about what I was thinking of to do and blah, blah, blah. So, yeah. I look horrible. Okay, I look actually pretty nice today. It's weird. Anyways, I have no makeup on. My hair is not even done. I just brushed it, went downstairs, and I'm eating. So yeah. Sorry if you heard that. That's my friend, my boyfriend. Most likely. I don't know if it's gonna be my boyfriend or something. But we are talking, so yeah. Anyways, yeah. If you do watch my videos and you want me to do a certain video, a certain tag, whatever, right? Just comment down below or even message me. I'll get it right away. So yeah. I guess that's all it is. I'm gonna turn off this camera and be like, oh yeah, I got this to think of and this to think of and this to think of. But you know what? Next video I'll tell you all the things if I make one. So yeah, adaptive.